Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. Hope you all are doing great, right? Yes, I welcome you all for our Day 5 English online reading class. And today's topic is how to introduce the sounds of these letters to your tiny one. So what are the letters? Q, R, S, T and U. Before going into the topic, let me ask you some question. Recap is very important, right? As we always do with our kids, the same way. So far we have completed 4 classes, and all through classes I have said 3 methodologies to teach these sounds of the letter. So can you all please recollect and tell me what are the 3 methodologies which we always apply for teaching the sounds of each letter? Yes, the first one is story, then second rhymes, and third one is through games. And why we are using all these methodologies? Yes, we are using all these methodologies to help our kids, those who are with kinesthetic learner or a visual learner or an audio learner. So all these methodologies will be helping them to identify the style of each kid and make them thorough with the sounds of each letter. Now let me introduce the sounds of each letter. The sound of Q is Kwa, Kwa, and sound of R is R. The beginning sound of R is R. If a word begins with letter R, then we will say R. If a word ends with letter R, then R, R. The same way yes also. If a word begins with letter S, it is S, S. Ending sound of S, S. T. The word begins with T. Ending sound also T. And U. It's a vowel. The sound of U is A. A. Now how do we teach our kids? If you teach them this way, they are going to be bored. So we will apply 3 methodologies. The first one is story. The second you can conduct some game. Or the third one you can end up with a rhyme. So let me show you how to introduce letter Q, R, S, T and U in a story based form. As I have already mentioned in my previous class, the stories can be your own creativity. You can choose the story according to your child's taste. So here I have a picture story. This time I am going to introduce all the letters together using a picture story. I have a beautiful picture here. You have a big tree and a snake. You can ask your child what are the pictures you can see in this particular board, or you can even draw a picture in a piece of paper and show them. And you have to slowly introduce a character. Who's this? Ask your child, who's this? Yes, they may recognize the picture and say, yes, she is a queen. Qua, qua, queen. And slowly you can start narrating the story. Once there was a beautiful qua, qua, queen. She was walking through a rose garden. What? Rose garden. While telling the story, you can ask your child to repeat the sound. Rose. And who's this? Qua, qua, queen. And while she was walking through the garden, she saw a big tree. What is the beginning sound of tree? Tree. And while she was standing under the tree, she saw a snake. She saw a snake. She got frightened and she ran away and went and sat under a umbrella. Umbrella. You can even tell the story by showing only the pictures. Once there was a queen and a rose garden. While showing all these pictures, they will be able to remember the sounds of each letter. Now, based on the story, I have prepared some teaching aid. Here you have an umbrella, umbrella, and snake, tree, rose, and qua queen. Now the game is something like that. You can play plenty of games. I'll just share you one among it. You can keep all the teaching aid in a place, and when you make a sound of it like a your child should pick up a rose. And when you make a sound of qua, your child should pick up queen. And when you make a sound of umbrella. Just keep playing this game till your child is thorough with the sounds. And after that, once he or she is thorough with the sound, you can prepare a worksheet based on the sound as well as the picture and the letter. And check your child whether they are thorough with the sounds of each letter. So now it's almost end of our session. It is the third methodology which we are going to apply. What is the third methodology? Yes, that's the rhyme, right? Music, song. Do you all remember that? Yes. Today we are going to sing together. You can try along with me. I will be telling the first para of it and you will continue the second one. A is for apple. Now it's your turn. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. I have already taught this song in our previous classes. Please go through that. And when you are singing along with your child, and do some action and show them. Okay, like this. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. For fish. G is for gun. Gun. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jug. Jug. K is for kite. Kite. L is for line. Line. Yum is for mango. Mango. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rose. Rose. S is for snake. Snake. T is for tree. Tree. Is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. That's all the rhyme. So now it's time for me to leave. We will see you all soon in our next class. That's our day 6 class with the remaining letters V, W, X, Y and Z. Till that, take care. Bye-bye.